Are you having trouble cooking properly?
Do you want to know how to make a special dinner for a special someone? Yes.
Well, you're in luck, because we're gonna show you
How to make a candlelit dinner for two.
Step 1. For a healthy, balanced meal, it's important that you marinate your food overnight. Take your time.
Plop.
Plop.
Step 2. It's time to chop. Get your knives out. Yeah.
Ah, 5-second rule.
Didn't taste that bad.
Step 3. Every good dish needs a great garnish. And for this step, you're gonna need your keys. Jingle, jingle. Wow, those are actually some really nice tires.
Yeah, I got them at Pep Boys. Subaru Impreza.
Damn. What year?
2013?
I got my Mora. I got her in 2014, actually. Yeah, she's a Nissan.
Okay, 1 year nearer than mine.
Yeah, so I'm kind of better than you.
Yeah. 0 to 60 in a second.
Oh.
Step 4. A good chef will never forget. A kitchen is more than a kitchen. It's a battlefield. Just remember that.
Alright. Now for step 5, we're gonna calm things down a little bit, right? It's time to set the table.
Step 6. All of the previous steps have been completed, so all you gotta do is just enjoy the meal.